He stepped outside. He could see nothing in the black tunnel. Arms stretched forward, he took a couple of tentative steps up the passage and smashed into the barrier. Lovely. It must simply stretch across any opening parallel with the box. He found he could kick the device and push the barrier farther up the passage. He knelt, figuring he could angle it so he could pass.
What are you doing, dude? I got you on camera, you dumbass.
The exit lay somewhere up the tunnel.
NGT
But the shaman waited there too.
Oh no, we're talking. He and I are interfacing. We're all standing around. I'm being actively rude to his face. No. He was so sweet. I explained to Mikey what it was.
God damn, dude.
This is how I always describe it.
Came across two lanes across.
Really good.
That is not right, man.
Poor decision.
Put you on the camera.
Just wait for the police. Just wait for the police. Just get in your car, wait for the police. Call the police, wait for the police. That's it. You were wrong. You should have just let him in and let it go. Go back in your car. Just wait for the police. Just wait for the police. All right, just wait for the police. I'm sorry I said anything. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait for the police. No, you put. All right, just.
Shut the f*** up. You have nothing to do with it.
All right,
Goodbye.
you know what? All right, goodbye.
Shut the f*** up.
Goodbye.
You have nothing to do with it.
Goodbye.
Absolutely nothing.
Goodbye. This is my card. I have on Dashcam. Okay, so you email me your information, and I'll send you the Dashcam if you need it. Okay.
Thank you.
Nobody even remember this.
Gary said there's absolutely no talk about this tomorrow.
Yeah, I don't think this will even come up.
What the f are you doing?
I just want to kick this off by saying, f y'all. I ain't got to clear my name on one of y'all 24 hours of attention. I'm finna get this off my chest and lay it to rest. Let's go. Let's go. And if the beat vibrate, I feel...
Holy!
Vowed to kill the whole Manson family. Bobby Beausoleil killed Gary Hinman, tried to frame the Black Panthers by writing political piggies in blood on the wall. Bobby Beausoleil is arrested. The Tate residents kill the people at the La Bianca residence, write things like
what you want to believe, because a lot of the
Jesus. He's just gonna. What the? What?
generally speaking.
And then you could just get the monitors, you know. But the problem is, it will be running at 1080p of 100, even more than 120 frames per second. Dude, what the are you doing? Oh, did he hit you? Yes, he did. He hit you? Are you about to follow him? Yes, he just hit the fire. Alright, yeah. Okay, for sure. Yeah, I'll wave him down. Block him off. Where you going? Huh?
God damn, bro. What the f are you doing, dude?
I'm just gonna let this guy know I've got video of their accident real quick. He's running. Yeah, in green arrow.
What in the world?
Yes!
Content to be late. Was that you?
Yes.
What happened?
We're going down.
Of course. I can't miss my exit. Good luck, everybody else. What the frick? Hold on. What the frick is that car, bruh? What?